It's Friday, March 13th, 2020, about 10 to 10 a.m., and that would be Pacific Daylight Time. We're at Havasu Landing Resort and Casino. It's Lake Havasu. And we had a heavy rain yesterday, and we did some erosion damage. You don't know where to step because a lot of this washed out underneath. Our winds are blowing pretty good. I want to get to the edge here. Now, this has been eroding because the lake is high. They're letting water out of the Davis Dam. I guess they're anticipating for the snow melt coming down Colorado River. I don't want to step too far on the edge, but here's how much is washed out. See the roots right there from these trees. Let's back out a little bit. These trees. And all the way down the line, this has been just eroding away. Now, zoom in down here a little bit to give you an idea of that. When the big ferry comes in, this is just the wind turning the tide. When the big ferry comes in, I can spot it, just a portion of it up there. See the one on the left, the right on the left. These waves roll up on top of these banks. I don't know if we're getting the depth there. I don't want to step in there right now. Okay, so this erosion here, I can back out. Zooming back out. This came down from our area. You see the mini up there. Battery's going dead, so that's the end of this one.